In this video, we'll take a look at Google TV and Tizen OS to see which one is better. So we're gonna take a look at the pros and cons on each other, and then we'll see which one overall is better. So as you can see here, I have a list. So we have the pros for Tizen OS. So it's very fast and responsive interface, then excellent integration with Samsung devices, and then it has user-friendly navigation. Now the cons for Tizen is that they have a limited app library compared to Google Play Store, and some features are exclusive to Samsung products. Now the pros for Google TV, it's that it's a vast app selection through the Google Play Store, so they have a lot of apps, superior voice search and controls, and personalized recommendations. Now the cons for Google TV are that performance depends on the TV's hardware, and ads and recommendation can be overwhelming. Now, as you can see here, so if you're already invested in Samsung's ecosystem and value a fast, minimalist interface, Tizen OS is a great choice. However, if you prefer personalized recommendations, voice comments, and access to a vast range of apps, Google TV is the better option. So, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.